It's a sunset evening, so beautiful, and I've decided to come out for a walk. It's the first day of my menstrual cycle, and if I'm honest, I didn't really feel like doing this, but I just knew once I was outdoors it would have felt amazing. So here I am going for like a little light stroll. Feels good. Nothing but bush around here where I'm living currently. So just soaking it all in, regrounding, and yeah, it's very, very nice. I've just been watching this show on Netflix, Love is Blind actually. It's really interesting when it comes to people and how they present themselves and dating in today's world. Yeah, anyways, it's just very interesting. So yeah, it's nice to be outdoors. I know I'm on a screen now recording this, but after this I'm gonna plug off and yeah, just feel good. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day, and I'll speak to y'all soon. Mwah! So this is the property I'm currently living at. It's pretty cool, just surrounded by nature. There's a big old abandoned bus here, which I believe originally came from this small little place, Ninbin, which if you're in Australia, it's a very hippie little town. It's pretty gorgeous, really. But yeah, this is the old little Ninbin bus. Initially when I came to the property I saw this and thought, wow, I would love to live in that, but she's just a bit too rusty and a bit too worn down. But yeah, this is my cute little setup down here, and we are crossing over a little bridge with a little stagnant creek. The creek doesn't really flow or move, except for maybe around summertime when it becomes quite tropical and torrential rain. But it is so nice at this time of the day, sunset and first thing in the morning. I've spotted a couple little snakes now, but nothing too scary. A few Komodo dragons. They give me a good little scare. But down this end, this road here, is some more of my landlord's old bits and bobs that he keeps stored down the back. And then as we come through here, this is my little Aroha Roots hairdressing business sign. So when my clients pull up, they know where they're going. Nothing leads down there, that's just dead left. But here is my little caravan space. I absolutely adore her. It's probably one of the best places I've ever lived. Super quiet, super chill. I do my little hairdressing business down here. My clients love it. The old outdoors nature space. And then this is where I chill in the mornings, or any time of the day really. But yeah, this is it, my little yoga space. I'm not completely off grid. I have the bare minimum power and running water. But yeah, guys, this is it. You can totally live this lifestyle if you want to. It's definitely doable. I just found this on the Off-Grid community page on Facebook. Highly recommend if you want to break away from the system and living traditional, renting house life. You can do this. So yeah, I'm going to be here for a bit. And then I think I'll hit the road in my van.